Have you ever wondered what makes a great designer? How do you be a great designer? Well, then this journey of creativity and discovery is for you. Hello everyone and welcome to How to Be a Fashion Designer. My name is Nino and I am your instructor. If you've taken any of my other courses on sketching and draping and pattern making, collection development, branding and marketing, and so on, then you know that I went to FIT, the Fashion Institute in New York, and worked in the industry for many years, Ralph Lauren and so on. And I was teaching at the Fashion Institute in Los Angeles, and now I am teaching here for you. In this course, I won't just teach you what a designer does, but equally important, if not more, you will uncover what makes you a designer, what inspires you, what motivates you to create. We will dive deep, exploring the process of discovering new ideas and new concepts. You will learn how to access and source your unique creativity and translate it into new ideas and designs. And if you're wondering, well, what makes this course different than other fashion design courses? This course is about you, your individuality, your vision, and developing your creative voice and style. No two designers are alike, and this course celebrates that diversity and uniqueness. You see, most schools, as well as instructors, will say, oh, you must first learn sketching and draping and pattern making and textiles and etc., and then you can become a designer. That is surface level strategy. This course is different because first you must take a stand and make a commitment to being a designer. We're starting from the inside out. Yes, we'll cover the sketching and the draping and the pattern making and all these skills, but I will take you on a transformative exploration of your creative self. It's not really about information. It's about the transformation that you will experience. Imagine being able to create and develop your own designs, to have your own brand, knowing that the power is in your hands. Experiencing that, that's priceless. With over 3 hours of material, this course will transform your life. At the end of this course, when you put all the pieces of the puzzle together, you will have a profound understanding of what it's like for you to be a designer, gaining confidence and clarity and feeling a sense of achievement. Embrace your unique genius and join this exciting adventure. The rewards for taking this course will be invaluable and it will be fun. Are you ready? Okay. Let's go. I'll see you in the next video. Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. I will see you in class.